So hello guys, welcome to our channel Code Riders. So today in this video we are going to build an API and also we are going to sell it. So in this video we are going to use ChatGPT and also we are going to use Rapid API for selling our API. If you guys don't know what is Rapid API is, so basically Rapid API is a marketplace where you can buy and sell your API. So there are n numbers of API here. So if you want to create an API like this I've created an API. Please make sure to watch the video till the end and please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So now first we have to ChatGPT. So here we have to type create code or Python Flask API server that takes get request with the URL and string and convert it to the QR code image and send it back as API response. So it's generating a code. So what we will do, we will copy this code. We will just come and paste in our file. We will just save it. We will open this file in CMD. So I will run this file here. Class API .py and just press enter and we will see our server is now started. So now we will just see the output on the browser. So I will come back and ask to give me a demo request URL. Demo request URL. So it's giving me a demo request. So I will just copy this one. I will open a new tab. I will just paste here and let's see what output we get. Ask ChatGPT. So see here we got our response, a QR code. So I have commented this part. So I will just comment this one. So we'll just remove this comment. I will just save this. I will come here and run this again. Now let's see what response we can. We copy this URL again and we paste here. So now you can see the QR code is getting downloaded. I will just open this. Let me paste it. We have downloaded the QR code. Now I will just try giving some other link. For example, I will give Instagram. So it has downloaded another QR code. Let's open this. So this one is different from the previous. So now I'm scanning the QR code with my phone. So you can see I got the link. I click on the link and my Instagram app is getting open. So see, this is my Instagram account. So now we have to upload it on the cloud. So we are going to use Python Anywhere. You can see the dashboard. Now we have to click on open web tab. Then you have to click on add a new web tab. You have to click on next. Then select the Flask, then current Python version 3.10, and you will get this path. So you have to click on next again. So now you have to search for go to directory and click on it. So go to directory is here, so click on go to directory. You will find a Python file, so click on this file. Then you have to copy this code and you have to paste here. Then just click on save. So click on this link. So this time it's giving error, so we have to copy this link URL and just paste after it. Now a QR code is downloaded, so you can see the QR code. So now we have to come on rapidapi and click on my API. You have to create a API project, so you have to give the name. You can give any name, so I'm going to give QR code API by CodeRiders, and fill other descriptions also of your API. After filling that, you have to click on hub listing. So here you have to upload a logo if you want. So we have to click on this. Here we have to add the URL that we have created using Python Anywhere. So we have to write here and just we have to click on save. Now we have to add the endpoints, so we have to click on endpoints. In endpoints we have to create a REST endpoint, so click here. You can also add the name here, so I am adding QR code image. You can also write a description and the doc URL also you can paste here. Then you have to write a get request /QR-code, and you have to write the query down here. You have to write URL here and our example, which is www.instagram.com. After writing this, just we have to go down and save. Now we have to click on view in hub. So you can see our API is ready, so we have to just test it. So click on test endpoint. See, we are getting a success response which is 200, and you can see our QR code is also getting generated. So now we have to monetize it, so we have to come back and just click on monetize. So you can add any plan you want, so I'm going to add a basic plan. I'm just going to give $1 here. You can add any plan you want. You can also add Pro, Ultra, other plans also. So we have created an awesome API using ChatGPT. If people will subscribe to our API, we will earn money. So thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, keep riding.